Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Before starting our video, subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. Here are some ceiling fan ideas. Ceiling fan design ideas to take inspiration from. Give a refreshing look to your ceiling with these interesting ceiling fan design ideas. A room can often be made or ruined by small but important aspects. Since forever, there have been numerous variations or practically everything a room needs, including wall painting, beds, tables, vases, etc. But we continue to use the same outdated design for our ceiling fans. Simple ceiling fan design go unappreciated and unnoticed. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. Press the bell icon and stay connected with my channel to watch more interesting videos. Many gorgeous ceilings are adorned with rustic plastic ceiling fans which depress the mood of the space. Take it a step further with these stunning and fashionable ceiling fans, which are nearly works of art in themselves. The best features of a ceiling fan is that it comes in a range of forms, colors, and styles to suit the various needs of various people. For those who don't want to get up from the couch, there are more intelligent technology choices. Best ceiling fan designs for your room depends on room size, decor theme in your house, features that you want in the fan, color of the fan and style of the fan. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. And also thanks for watching my video.